Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video. This here is my Charger Air Pro, the Bliss Air Power Company air compressor. As you can see, I'm doing a little work to it. Something about it's not building up pressure like it should. I don't know exactly what's causing it yet, but I'm gonna try to find out what's wrong with it. With the gauges right there. It's a strong air compressor though. Let's see, I think it needs let's see here. Power work too. Exactly what's wrong with it, yeah. Something about it won't hold no pressure. It's got a 20-gallon tank. You can see. Go up to 140 psi. Thing right there. It's pretty big one though. 20-gallon tank. Like what can happen if I can't get it to work? What I do? Use the tank for reserve, for like a reserve tank, and then what I do is store air in here, on this end, guys. And then if that don't work, let's see. But check it out though. It's a nice compressor. I just can't get it to hold it. Air pressure exactly right, like it should be. But other than that, it's pretty good. Just start having an issue. Maybe it's maybe the regulator valve, something right here. Anyway, I got another one. I got a brand new one too. And this is my old one here. Already got some parts of the motor off of it right here. You can see how it's working up and down here. See that, guys? See? There we go. Okay, but overall it's a pretty decent compressor. Once I find out why is it leaking, my air pressure is losing. This thing is strong too. Like I said, just like leaking his air pressure. Can't get the air pressure to do exactly like I wanted to do. But overall, it's pretty good stuff. Yeah. It's great. Pretty good. It's a pretty good one though, guys. Once again, it's a Charger Air Pro. Excuse me. Air compressor review. And guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I thank all my viewers and my subscribers for watching my videos. And guys, I'll see y'all on the next video. Any negative comments, you will be blocked. Peace out, YouTube.